Fourth ranked match of the night. Oh my god, HomelessSam. It's fourth ranked match? Yeah, it's fourth ranked match. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. For new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, pin the video. I want to see the deck list. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. I have no idea what's going on here. Sure. Let's negate that. Oh my god. I think that was an early negate. I don't really know Plunder Patrol, so. That was most likely an early negate. Going through, resolving. Red Eyes Fusion. Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes Dark Dragon. It's gonna try to negate it, but let's do it. Equip. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to negate that. I could actually just, yeah. What was that? What? Oh, now I can still pop. Pop! I think I dueled HomelessSam before. In a battle. Dragoon Direct 4K. Main phase 2. See what I could do. Nothing much, so. Tunando. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Probably should do this. Yeah, that should be okay. Come on, round 2. Let's go. Round 2. Dude! God damn it. Come on. God damn it. Let's duel wins. He was probably gonna win. I don't know why he just surrendered. Yes. Flawless victory. Perfect. Okay, let's see what. 1263, 1283 went up by 20. We're at 135, 136. Let's go. Comment, share, like if you subbed it if you liked it. See you guys.